Good morning everyone, newborn investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market triple Q trading above yesterday's closing price. Things are looking positive, but with the Fed's decision coming today, I'll be very skeptical about the strength. And going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla, all following a similar pattern as of triple Q. Clearly on an uptrend, so I'll wait to see whether the trend reverses. And if so, I'll take some trades, else I'll stay away. We do have around 3 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching Nvidia and Tesla. No setups as of yet. Tesla should break below 788.53 to reverse the trend. This would be a key area to watch. See how Tesla is holding up this level. Quickly reclaimed. But I cannot add here to the put side. I am waiting to see how this candle closes. Hesitated to pull the trigger there. Should have taken it. But triple Q was super strong, that's why I hesitated. Can this candle be the first 5-minute candle to make a new high? Failed again. See how it's making a quick move. 1790, placed an order. I'm in. Yep, marked. Was a risky trade, but I had to take it. Waited for it patiently. Had it went above 796, I would have exited. Definitely a risky trade. See how quickly Tesla reversed. Was planning for a second ad around here, but didn't get it quickly. Now it's super strong. The call side flipping, maybe if it comes down a bit. Yep, super strong. Had I held it, this would have been a disaster. I was going against the trend, which is very risky, not recommended. I'm not comfortable taking long positions in this market, so right now I don't see any setups, and I think I may have to settle for just one trade. So that would be it from me for today. Overall, a decent day of trading, making $70 in 22 minutes. No reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.